I'm excited to talk to you about the Beginner Python and Math for Data Science course. If you're interested to learn anything about data science and are looking for a place to get started, this is the course for you. This course covers an introduction to Python programming, as well as all the mathematical principles that are used and essential to develop your data science skills. There are no prerequisites to take this course, and we were intentional in that. Whether you want to start your own career in data science or learn all the basics so you can engage with other data scientists, this course will get you there. The topics that we cover include beginner-level Python, as well as all the mathematical foundations in linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. After completing this course, you'll be able to write basic Python code. You'll have a solid understanding of the mathematical foundations required for data science. And then you'll be able to take more advanced courses in data science so you can expand your career in the field. My name is Roberto Rape, and I'm one of the designers of this course. I'm currently a senior data scientist at Metis, and I'm also the founder of Analysis Consulting. This is a consulting firm that specializes in data science and data visualization. I have a PhD in biomedical engineering, and I have worked in several academic research institutions, startups, and large corporations such as Microsoft. I'd also like to introduce the other designer of this course, Gordon Dree. Gordon is currently a data scientist at Oracle, and he has a Master's of Science in Analytics from the University of Chicago, where he has worked as a researcher and acted as a teaching assistant for the graduate program in analytics. We want to thank you for your interest in beginner Python and Math for Data Science, and we look forward to seeing you in one of our courses.